Hey Pioneers, this is the V-Squat machine. The V-Squat is a anterior focused squat, so it allows you to keep your torso more upright, so it's a more quad dominant squat, so the front of your legs do more of the work than the back of your legs, which is typical of a bodyweight squat, where it's a little more evenly distributed. When you're doing this, you want to make sure that you load each side of the machine evenly. So if I want to add 25-pound plates, they go on right here. On both sides. For a demonstration, I'm not going to load the machine. When you're doing the V-Squat, you're going to want to step up carefully and get your shoulders underneath these pads, hold the handles, and you want to make sure that your back, like the bottom of your butt and your back, and your head stay on. It's okay if your natural arch is off the mat slightly. You'll stand up, find your comfortable squat position. It may be pretty high on the mat, and that's okay, on the platform. Then you're gonna pull and push this so that it releases. So now I can perform my squat, keeping my toes and knees in line with each other, whether that be forward or out. And when I'm done with my squat, I'll find my handle, I'll pull up, and I'll rack it. And that's the V-Squat machine.